Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter multiplication. And the lessons we're going to cover today are multiply one digit number by three digit numbers, multiply one digit numbers by two digit numbers, multiply three or more numbers and combinations. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the first lesson. Here I'm on grade 3 math. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is multiply one digit number by three digit numbers. Let's just start with the lesson, right? So basically we're working on the chapter multiplication. The basic thing we're going to learn here is multiplication, right? And the multiplication with more than one digit number, like two digit numbers, three digit numbers, and so on. So let's just start with an example. The basic thing I must say in every session is you need to be perfect with the multiplication tables. So start working on the multiplications today, right? The first example is 233 times 3. So when multiplying, we always start with multiplying by one digit. Like 3 is the one digit here, then you have 10 and then you have 100. This is the multiplier. You need to multiply this number to every number in this three digit number, right? So start multiplying with one digit. 3 times 3 is 9, right? You multiplied by one digit right below the one digit. Now 3 times 3 is 9. You multiplied with 10th digit right below the 10th digit. 3 times 2 is 6. So that is 699. Got it? The correct option is 699. Multiplication is this easy if you are good with multiplication tables, right? Okay, the next one is 212 times 3. So let's just do 212 times 3. Okay, so start multiplying with ones digit. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6. So the correct option is 636. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? The correct option is 636. Okay, the next one is 111 times 9. Yes, that is 999 because 9 times 1 is 9. So 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 1 is 9, and again 9 times 1 is 9. So that is 998. Okay, the next one is 320 times 3. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 3 times 0 is 0. Multiplying any number with 0 is always a 0, right? No matter what the number is, if you are going to multiply the number with a 0, the answer is always a 0. 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 3 is 9. So that is 960. The correct option is 960, right? Okay, 111 times 6. So which is the correct option? 111 times 6 is, yes, that is 666, right? 100 times 6 equals, yes, 0 times any number is always a 0. So 100 times 6 is, you just have to multiply the non-zero values. So 100 times 6 is, yes, that is 600. The correct option is 600. 110 times 2 equal, yes, the correct option is 220. Very good. 221 times 3 equal, 221 times 3 equal, yes, the correct option is 663. The correct option is 663, right? That is 663. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, 221 times 4 equal, 221 times 4 equal. Yes, that is 884, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is multiply one digit number by two digit numbers. Basically, the concept is same. You need to multiply, right? The different thing is here you have sometimes you need to multiply with one digit number, sometimes with two digit numbers, right? So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 32 times 3 equal, which is the correct option? If you already know the answers, you can please write down the answers in the chat box. Yes, that is 96. 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 3 is 9. The number 2 is the correct option. Got it? The next one is 20 times 4, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 6596. It is. Yes, that is 80. 40 times 2, sorry, 20 times 4 is 80. Multiply 32 times 2, which is the correct option. Thirty-two times 2 equal. Yes, that is 64. The correct option is 64. 11 times 4 equal. Yes, that is 44. 11 times 4 is 44. Okay, the next one is 10 times 5, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 50. 10 times 5 is 50. 12 times 2 equal 12 times 2 equal. Yes, the correct option is 24. 12 times 2 is 24. Multiply 22 times 2 equal. Yes, 22 times 2 equal 44. So the correct option is 44. Got it? The next one is 13 times 3. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 39. The correct option is, where is 39? You don't have 39 here. Not 69 it is. 13 times 3 is 39, right? But you are not given with the correct option here. It's okay. You are not given with the correct option, right? That means question is different. Question is 23 times 3, right? So 23 times 3 is, yes, 69. Okay, got it. 10 times 3 equal. Yes, that is 30. 10 times 3 equals 30. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is Okay, next lesson is mm, multiply more numbers. PK and Emmanuel, you are here to learn, right? So focus on the learning, otherwise, I'm going to block both of you. Okay, multiply 1 times 3 times 2, right? How do we multiply more than two numbers, right? So multiplying more than two numbers is as easy as you do as we multiply two numbers, right? Just first you have to make a pair of number. There's like for example, you're going to do 3 times 1 first. 3 times 1 is 3. Now you are left with another pair of number. 3 times 2 is 6. The correct option is 6. Got it? The correct option is 6. Okay, 3 times 3, which is the correct option? Okay, so you have to make a pair of numbers, that is 3 times 3 is 9, and then you have to multiply it by the 3. So 3 times 9 is, yes, that is 27. The correct option is 27, right? 3 times 3 is 27. Got it? So the correct option is 27. 4 times 3 times 5, which is the correct option? Just make a pair of numbers. Yes, start with 4 times 3, that is 12, and then do 12 times, that is, yes, very good. The correct option is 60, right? Okay, 1 times 2 times 5, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 10, it is. 2 times 1 is 2, and 5 times 2 is 10. 4 times 3 times 4, which is the correct option? 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 4 is, yes, that is 48. The correct option is 48, it is. Got it? Yes, that is. Yes, that is 20. 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 5 is 20, right? Okay, the next one is multiply 5 times 2 times 5. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 50. The correct option is 50 it is. The next one is 1 times 3 times 5, which is the correct option? The correct option is that is 15. The correct option is 15. Got it? The next one is 3 times 3 times 1, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 9. Very good. 2 times 4 times 2, which is the correct option? 16 it is, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is, I think that is the last lesson from the chapter, that is combinations, right? Let's just start with the combinations. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, Sydney is deciding what to order at the ice cream shop, right? Can you guys please focus on the lesson? Stop talking, I said. Emmanuel, PK, night marketing, whatever you are. Stop, I said, stop talking. Sydney is deciding what to order at an ice cream shop. She can choose a coffee, she can choose a chocolate cone, plain coke, waffle cone, and sugar cone or dish. And she can have vanilla mint coke cookie dough ice cream. How many different combinations can Sydney order, right? So let's just see how many choices he have for both the items, right? He have one, two, three, four, and five options here, right? And for the flavor, she have one, two, three options. So you have to do five times three for the total options. So the total combinations she have is 15, right? She can buy chocolate cone and select any of the flavor, right? So each one item there you have three items, so that is 5 times 3 equal 15. The correct option is 15. Mika is picking her class schedule for next year. She gets to pick one elective subject and one language subject. Two options, right? One language and one elective. The elective classes are business and drama. Two options here. The languages available are Spanish, Latin, Greek, and Russian. One, two, three, four, five options here, right? So how many total combinations of classes? Okay, you do two types of classes. This is the classes are business and drama, and five options for the language. So that will be five times two, and five times two is 10. The correct option is 10. Leverin is ordering a burger for lunch. She can have fish, mushroom, turkey, beef, or black bean burger. The bun choices are sesame seed, poppy seeds, or wheat. How many different combinations can Leverin order? So, which is the correct option? So, one, two, three, four, five options, and then the bun choices are one, two, three bun choices. So, that is yes, 5 times 3 is 15. The correct option is 15. Got it? The next one is Lisa and her friends are ordering pizza to share. They want one vegetable topping and one meat topping. The vegetable toppings are green peppers, mushrooms, broccoli, spinach, and onion. The meat toppings are pepperoni, ham, sausage, and chicken. Given these choices, how many different combinations can Lisa and her friends create? So, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 20. No one is answering, even no one is listening to me, just chatting. 5 times 4 is 20. Hello? Okay. Hello? Hello? Okay, so how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. The correct option is the rule combinations she have is 12. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next one is Harold is picking his activities for this year. He wants to play one sport and join one club. The sports he can play are field hockey and golf. The clubs he is considering are the drama club, the science club, the math club. How many different combinations of activities can Harold hold? Harold pick. The next one is Harold is picking his activities for this year. He wants to play one sport and join one. The correct option is 6, right? Okay, the next one is Lena is picking out her clothes for school. She can wear a polo shirt, sweatshirt, or sweater as a top. For pants, she can have khaki and jeans. Assuming all the clothes go together, how many different combinations can Lena pick? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 6, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 3 math. Chapter we're working on is multiplication, and the lessons we have covered today are multiply one digit numbers by three digit numbers, multiply one digit number by two digit numbers, multiply three or more numbers, and combinations, right? So please make sure you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that will be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any question related to the lesson we have just finished, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.